Citigroup versus Citizens Bank, which is better? Links to the products mentioned are provided in the description below. In this video, we're comparing Citigroup and Citizens Bank to help you determine which is the better choice for your financial needs. These two institutions serve different customer bases, offering distinct features and benefits. Citigroup, a global banking giant, is best known for its expansive reach and diverse financial services. It's ideal for individuals or businesses seeking international banking options, as it operates in over 90 countries. Key features include robust credit card options, competitive savings accounts, and advanced digital banking tools. Citigroup's Citi Priority and Citigold packages are tailored for high net worth individuals, offering wealth management services and exclusive perks. However, its physical branches are limited in the US, which might not suit customers seeking local, in-person banking. Citizens Bank, on the other hand, focuses on community-based banking primarily in the US, with a strong presence in the Northeast and Midwest. It caters to everyday banking needs with user-friendly checking and savings accounts, mortgage services, and small business solutions. Citizens Bank stands out for its personal approach, offering tailored financial advice and extensive support for local customers. Its student loan and education refinance options are particularly appealing for families and recent graduates. While Citizens Bank lacks the international presence of Citigroup, it offers more localized branch access and customer service. If you prioritize international banking, diverse financial products, and a sophisticated digital experience, Citigroup is likely the better fit. However, if you're looking for a more personal touch, easy access to branches, and community-focused banking, Citizens Bank might be the right choice. Both banks have their strengths, so the decision depends on your specific financial needs. Share your preferences in the comments below, and don't forget to check the links in the description for more information about their services.